It's a special gift. You can open it now, but don't go crazy.
I think I had this book before.
Oh, well, what does it say?
Little baby.
And what does the shirt say on the teddy bear?
I'm the big sister.
What do you think that means?
I'm a big sister.
You're a big sister.
Like what?
Like, you're gonna be a big sister.
Like you're pregnant?
Like I'm pregnant, yes.
Really? You're pregnant?
Really?
Is she really pregnant?
Really, really.
Really?
Really? You're gonna be a big sister.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're gonna be.
I did not smack myself in the head.
But you're gonna be a big sister. What do you?
I know about that.
What? Honey? Mackenzie, are you okay? Are you happy or
I'm happy for you.
you're so happy for me?
Nothing will go on wrong.
Oh,
It'll be okay, honey. It's a good thing.